Welcome back. Today we're going to compare the distributions of a numeric variable, which is music length, across three different groups of observations, split according to a categorical variable, which is genre 3. The music you've just heard will play a part at some point of our analysis, so bear that in mind and let's dive right in. So let's go to the Analyze button, hit Fit Y by X, select genre 3 as the X factor, and select music length as the Y response. Hit OK, and there's the music length distribution across three genre groups. First, let's take a look at the means and standard deviation of the three groups. Click the right arrow button and go to means and standard deviation. Let's ignore the standard error means and focus just on the mean and standard deviation. The music albums of genres other than pop and rock has an average music length of 228.26 seconds and a standard deviation of 54.4. The pop genre music albums has an average music length of 233.07 seconds and the standard deviation of 54.27, while the music albums of rock genre has an average music length of 227.16 seconds and a standard deviation of 69.16. So, based just on the mean and standard deviation, the average music length seems similar across albums of three different genres. The spread of the distribution is greatest among rock genre albums, and the pop genre albums spread is almost identical to those of genres other than pop and rock. Really, because when I eyeball through the scatter plots, it seems that the distribution of the pop genre albums seems much less scattered than the distribution of the other two groups. And furthermore, the spread of the rock genre album seems not too much different from that of the other genre groups. Let's check the box plot and see if our suspicions is reasonable or not. So we're going to click the red arrow button again, and this time we're going to hit quantiles. And there's the boxes and whisker charts for the three music genres. Now, a good indicator of a distribution spread would be its interquartile range. So, subtracting the 75% quantile to 25% quantile of each distribution, we get an interquartile range of 68 for the music albums of other genres, 62.5 for pop, and 75 for rock. The three interquartile ranges seem to indicate two things. One is that the standard deviation of pop genre music album lengths is less than those of the others, and the rock genre's standard deviation of music length distribution should be more than the other genres, but not by too much. So, why is that not the case in the actual standard deviation? The answer is outliers. As we covered in our second video, outliers have a significant effect on the distribution spread. As we can see, there are two outliers in the pop genre albums and one outlier in the rock. Remember that song I played at the beginning of the session? That's right, one of the outliers for the pop genre music album length distribution is Earth Song by Michael Jackson. The one for the rock genre is Blue Monday by New Order, and the another for pop genre is Hey Jude by Beatles, the all-time longest single album that has ever reached the top of UK album chart. You can actually locate the datasets here by pressing Shift and clicking at the three dots. Now, if we go to the datasets, we can see that Hey Jude had a music length of 431 seconds, Blue Monday has the length of 449 seconds, and Earth Song has the length of 405 seconds. Just for the record, the Blue Monday song is actually longer than Hey Jude, but Blue Monday hasn't managed to top the UK chart, so the record still stands for Hey Jude. So, let's see what happens to the distribution without these three outliers. Let's right-click on the rows, hit Exclude, and go to Analyze, hit Fit Y by X again, and select Genre 3 as X factor and Music Length as the Y response again, and here we go. Let's look at the quantiles and means and standard deviations again. The standard deviation of music length distribution without the outliers now reads 58.88 for rock genre, more than 10, less than what it initially was, which was around 69, and 34.47 for pop genre, nearly 2/3 of what it initially was, which is 54. So, now we can suggest with a bit more confidence that the spread of the music length distribution, barring the outliers, is lesser among pop genre music than among rock or the other genre musics. So that's it for today. Hope you learned a lot from this video, and I'll see you guys next time. This is John Shin from Teaching Statistical Thinking signing out.